Hey guys, welcome back to It Kinda Works. And in fact, welcome me back because it's been what, like 5 or 6 months since I made a video? The last video I uploaded was me making a little wood etching as a live stream. I played around with that. I don't know. But I was doing a little bit of wood etching. And since I started doing that, like making kind of artwork or interesting, not just technical things, I've done patents, I've done friends' artwork, I've made my own stuff, I've been making light boxes, I'll talk about it later. But basically, what it boils down to is, behind the scenes, there's been a lot going on and It Kinda Works. And so much so that it prompted me to, I don't know, get a new tool, new toy. Okay, here's what happened. I got a laser, a bigger laser. I know I had one before. This one's way better. Basically, I can now start my own laser shop. I can do things that are more useful than small little teeny tiny projects. And so today what we're doing is sort of a culmination of a whole bunch of different things I've been working on. I came up with it like last night and I'm just kind of going for it. So what we have here, you can see I've cut out my piece of MDF and I got a big rectangular channel and a little round hole. Here's what we're doing. We're making me a new bedside table. And, you know, look, my old bedside table, it had a piece of sheetrock on it, like a piece of wall as part of the desk. And just, come on, I could do better than that. So we're making the ultimate smart desk here. And this desk, like I said, I'm kind of coming up with this on the fly, but we're doing a wireless charger and LED strip, smart light, smart charger, cool thing. So you can see there, I tested kind of the fit of the charger and the LED strip. And, you know, all the wires, and yes, there will be 2 separate wires. I'm just not gonna mess around with combining it. But all of the wires for this will come out of that little right-hand corner, conveniently near my charger built into my current desk, or that I, you know, duct taped onto the desk. So you can see I got the LED strips going around there. Now, LED strip, you guys have seen it before, you see it here. It's super bright, like right at the LED. It doesn't diffuse very well. So as part of this, I also had to go and make myself some diffusers out of just acrylic kind of etched on one side and then 90-degree etched on the other. And it works out pretty well. It's not a perfect solution, but It Kinda Works. So, you know, you get what you pay for here. But you can see even this does a pretty decent job just, you know, diffusing that light a little bit more. Again, a lot of this stuff is pretty new to me. I've been playing around a lot. I've never played with this kind of veneer wood sheet before. I've played with small veneers and just kind of doing some weird stuff with it. Never really had any success, but I bought a big piece of veneer wood and just kind of started, you know, staining it. I played with a couple different stain options and landed on this one called Honey, I think. I think it looks pretty good, and sanded it and put a little polyurethane. So I'm sure you guys will point out things that look wrong here. And learning as you go also takes place here in the laser. This is actually the first sheet, and the final sheet, the final top that went on the table, is a different one. I made a few mistakes, but what we're doing to this piece of wood is I discovered this cool little feature where you can basically just dimple it, you know? Like, it just moves and then puts a teeny tiny little hole. And this is where the light from those LED strips is gonna come through. You'll see that in a minute. You know, the final product I came out with, I think it looks really cool. There are mistakes that I made on this. I didn't quite get the veneer lined up perfectly, but it looks, I mean, it basically looks perfect to me. Also, if you want to check out some of the stuff I've been making, Go check out my Instagram at It Kinda Works. Also, go and check out the Etsy page. It's got wood etchings and artwork from friends. Go to Etsy and look up Icky Fledgling. There'll also be links for both of these down in the description. You can see here I got the little wireless charger there. Just really cool. Follow me on Instagram, check out the stuff on Etsy, and thank you guys for watching. It's really exciting to be back.